Oops.
Did you take a video or picture?
I'm trying to take a video.
You see what I did to your bike to keep it from getting wet?
No.
I tied around it.
Oh, good. All right, hit the remote, send it down, and then send it back up. So we get the view of both going, okay. Cool. Santa's getting in the way a little, but it's all right. That is so cute. Okay, send it back up. Oh, that sounds sick.
Huh?
Sounds
That's how it
cool.
really goes.
Okay, send it down now and we'll pack it up.